In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your emails in ActiveCampaign, ensuring that your communications stand out and effectively reach your audience. First, let's navigate to the ActiveCampaign dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic happens. On the dashboard, locate and click on the email option. This will lead you to the section where you manage and create your email campaigns. Now, you might already have campaigns you are working with. If that's the case, simply select your existing campaign. This allows you to edit and refine the email designs you may have started. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new campaign, but today let's focus on editing an existing one. Once you've clicked on your campaign, look for the Edit Design option. This feature is where you can truly get creative. It opens up a plethora of design elements that you can adjust and customize. When you click on it, it takes you to the editing interface where you'll see a variety of templates. Select the template that resonates with the message you want to convey. Templates are incredibly useful because they give you a structured format that looks professional and is easy to modify. Once you've decided on a template, it's time to design your content. This is where you can add your text, images, and other multimedia elements that will engage your audience. Think about your readers and what will catch their eye. As you're designing, you might want to switch things up and change to your preferred design. ActiveCampaign offers flexibility here, allowing you to align your email's visual elements with your branding or campaign goals. Use this feature to experiment with different layouts, color schemes, and font styles until you find a combination that fits perfectly. After finalizing your design, click on the Next button to proceed. This step is about reviewing and ensuring everything looks just the way you want it to. It's essential to double-check all your details before hitting send. Verify the recipient list, the subject line, and ensure that all links and images are working properly. Mistakes in any of these can affect your email's reception and success, so take your time here. Once you're satisfied with everything, you're ready to send your email. Click on Send Now. This action delivers your carefully crafted message to your audience, completing the process of designing and sending an email through ActiveCampaign. Congratulations, you've just sent out your campaign. ActiveCampaign's interface is designed to be user-friendly, but as with any tool, practice makes perfect. The more you use ActiveCampaign, the more confident you'll feel in your design skills. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.